Hello, good morning all. It's very hot weather outside. Let it be. Somewhere it is helpful to us. I got at least a couple of minutes to speak with you all. I was very much happy to connect the complete Facebook users today. The main thought, what it comes to my mind today is the word change against Corona. Most of the people are how it is getting affected outside is mainly because of the change which is needed in us actually. How normally it is more important. Corona can kill many people, but at the same time the Corona can make a lot of difference in the human life. Something which is mandatorily needed, which we are not doing it on a regular basis. That is what it is realizing now by coronavirus. Do your things in the right time on a daily basis. Take care of health in the right time. Have a nice diet in the right time. Be safe in the right place. Stay there where it is safe. It's realizing each and everything in the life how you want it to be lived against coronavirus. What it is exactly needed in real life is the change and accepting the change in human life. Normally, accepting change is not easy. It's a big deal for each and everyone. Why? Because it is straight away connecting to the belief systems. Something which we believe in it, which somebody is talking against it, normally we won't accept it. So that is where we'll be deviating and talking against many people. Maybe like we are not in sync with the people and we are getting the friends in line with somebody, not in line with somebody. It depends on purely based on the baselines what it was built in human life over a period of time since from our birth. This is the time to refine ourselves in a way we will be happy in the most worst situations as well. What extent we have to change to sustain in this world is more important. This is where we have to change ourselves. Nowadays, who is more happy is who are more flexible to adapt to the latest things, adapt to the new technologies, adapt to the new things which they wanted to learn. There are a lot of new things which we won't accept straight away. Why? Because it is against the routine which we are living in the life. So somewhere we needed a change in our own life. What time we'll wake up, what time we'll sleep, what activities we will do on a daily basis which we have to take care, and in a way you can protect your health. Most of the people believe in it. Yes, somewhere there are so many people have died because of Corona. Yes, even it may come to us. Close your doors, everything is set right and sit at home. It will be there. There is a panicness. The most important thing is we have to refine ourselves to take the tough things in the life. So we should accept many things and we should start observing our own body is more important now. In this time, more important is you have to observe what corner of your body is, what kind of a symptom it is coming to the body. That's more important. If you know your body in a better way than a doctor, the treatment after this given by the doctor is very good. We should not blame a doctor when we given something else. We might go to the doctor and tell that there is a pain in somewhere. We may not be so clear for what reason it is coming. He might be have to guess the logic behind that one thing. He has to diagnose the thing by the reports. So make sure that your justification on your body is true first before going to the doctor. This is the best time to observe your own body for all kind of scenarios since from morning to evening. What are the kind of reactions and the responses from your own human body for the different kind of diets and different kind of environment, how it is reacting. It should be very much clear to you first. That is where you can observe very keenly how the blood is flowing from top to bottom. Let it be. Most of the people, what we are thinking is the blood flows from heart to every corner in the body, but we won't take care of the corners of our body. Thing is that something else is happened, like any symptom or any infection, any one of the corner. For sure, there is the main organs involvement. For sure, it will be there. So we need not wait until it touches the main organs like lungs, heart, brain, and kidneys. These things are the main organs. We need not think like something went wrong with the main organs, then we'll go to the hospital. No, it is not like that. You should be understanding very clearly when it is a minor symptom also in your whole body is showing. You can observe for what reason. You should know the reason before telling to the doctor. There might be a possibility of even a small blood clot in the leg for some reason. It may go to the heart failure. You are sitting in the morning to evening and morning 9 to till 12 o'clock or something. Let it be like me. Most of the people are sitting and working on the things. In that case, there is a lot of things are against the life, because nowadays people are working from home and we cannot digest a daily life, and you cannot make yourself like a feel at office and feel at home difference. In that case, how you have to think is whether your body is taking the physical movement or not regularly, whether you are allowing your body to do their own activities beside your activity. The hand will do it in its own activity and brain will think and doing. These two things are working already. Rest of the things, what about the rest of the body organs which you have taken as granted? They will do as it is. No, the toe of your body, the legs will be at the down level than the heart. The blood, it has to go down and it has to come up. You're sitting idle and without moving any physical movement continuously for more number of hours. There is a possibility of the blood clot. There will be a possibility of in unhealthy conditions. There might be different symptoms. It may come to your skin. It may come to your nervous system. There might be one of kind of a valves will be there in the leg. If it is not functioning well because of there is no physical movement at the bottom, the blood it won't come back. In that case, they will be calling as different names. Vein varicosis, maybe like vein insufficiency. There's a possibility of the blood flow. It is not coming back to the heart because of you are not moving the legs. You're keeping the legs stationary for long run. It is not coming back. You have to change your routine of the life. You have to make a movement. Daily exercise is more important. How you are ensuring the blood flow till the end, till the bottom, till the head. Whether you are ensuring your blood flow and the oxygen flow to all the body organs or not, it is more important. If you are taking care of those things, to do that, what it is more important? Your diet, what you are eating, is that needed or more than needed, or how much quantity you are having it, and the complete body needs the water. Whether you are having a sufficient amount of water when you are working from home. If you are not having a sufficient amount of water, for sure the body will go into the dehydration mode. If the body is not having a sufficient water, then there is no meaning in maintaining the same body all the time. There is no possibility to get the supply of blood into all corners of your body. Nowadays, people are going outside. Yes, there is a coronavirus. There is a possibility to come into that. The first possibility, it has to be from either nose or the mouth normally, and whatever the open parts here, either ears, nose, eyes, whatever it is. To do that, until it reaches the lungs, what the care you are taking care is more important. For that, what the changes which you have to do it, that is more important. Which is more important here is the diet, the kind of changes you are applying to your own life. Might be like we are not more fond of exercise mode and we are not doing anything which is more important in your regular life earlier, not taking care of the health. We are not doing anything more important to our health. Now it is the best time to do and taking care of our health now. So please take care of health and observe your own body and identify the symptoms. Don't assume all the symptoms are relevant to the corona. Don't pass it on the same panicness to each and everyone. Most of the people, maybe it got affected, it was win by the system side. I mean, like an immune system has won, and that may not attack somebody even though he was exposed to the environment. Why? Because there is an antibody which was already in place of his body, and it was aligned to the immune system logic, and it was cured and win on the virus. It might have. So start working on the immune system. Start working on the kind of a food you're taking it. How much strong on your heart? That's more important. Simply being panic and passing on the same thing. Nowadays people are not dying because of the coronavirus. Most of the people are being panic, and literally people are getting heart attacks for some nonsense reasons and getting died on the earth. Don't allow your main organs to go into the another mode because of this news, everything, social media, whatever you are listening from different aspects. Take care of your own body. Observe your own body symptoms. Why I'm telling, literally stressing this point is you should know how your body is reacting for all different things what you're doing on a daily basis. There might be a different kind of infection may come. Even a throat cleaning, there is a lot of home remedies or most of the people are keeping in the whatever, like Facebook or social media. You can start observing those things and apply it, but it was not the same thumb rule for each and every one. You should start observing how much quantity, what is the percentage you have to use it, and how much you have to, your body is adjusting to the new environment and the conditions what is available to your current daily life and current environment which you are holding it. Why I'm telling it is the change. The world is killing a lot even before coronavirus, not now. Most of the people are not happy because they don't want to change themselves. Instead of that, they wanted to change the complete world. The clear-cut truth is you cannot change anybody in this world unless they're willing to open up and start talking themselves to change. If somebody come to you and ask, I wanted to change better than now, you can guide them, you can advise them in a better place. But somebody who is not open to change, you start pushing the things, people won't change. Why? Because change is straight away, it was connected to the baselines. The core baselines, what it was formed from the birth, it will be with them. It's something which they have to do against their own belief system. It is not easy. You should understand the person very clearly, how this guy is doing like this in this situation, why he is doing like that. Let it be he or she, anyone. It depends on the person's clear belief. If you believe something else, you are telling something else based on your belief system. These two things won't match all the time. So you should be very cautious when you are insisting somebody to change. Each and everybody, they are having a own judgment not to change from their end. So to understand the belief system, this might be another session again. That might be opened up more detailed in another live session. I will come and speak about the belief system. The normal stacked references of our memory will create a belief system. The references keep on searching for the evidences which is not happening in and around with their environment. Our mind won't accept. If our mind is not accepting to listen, whatever you tell, people won't take it into heart. They'll take it into brain, let it be whatever. They won't apply. This is the right time which people has to take care and wanted to change themselves, not by somebody else's direction. They can take a different sources, but the thing is at least person should be very open to change and to adapt to the latest current environment, current situation, whatever available with us, in a way to sustain in their own life. What the new things which we have to be ready for the situation, and how we are taking care well, and how our timings are maintaining, what is the alternate methods available to sustain in their own life is more important. Only thing is being ready for the worst first and be prepared on the worst, which is not to happen. So we should have a plan to work out until the worst case scenario. That is where we can feel dare and confident, and we can sort out any kind of an issue. For that, we should be very much ready to change ourselves and to guide ourselves and to move forward in our own life. Changing ourselves is an art. Somebody who was accepting and start changing themselves, not to the bad direction. I'm telling that to many people, acceptance with your change. Whatever you change, a number of people are accepting in this world means there is a genuinity in the change of individual. Changing themselves for a reason, always making somebody help, doesn't mean that these people are sacrificing for some reason their life is going into the another mode. No. Accepting change for a good cause and accepting change for good to happen to the others is always good to all in this world. This is the right time. The coronavirus make people to help each other and making us to think about other people and start applying the mask is not for self normally. Because you are covering this, that is you are protecting others against coronavirus. That means you are not keeping the mask, you don't take care of others. It is none of my business, none of my social responsibility to take care of others. If you're not keeping a mask means that literally the people's impression is you don't bother about others. This is the right time corona making us to unite together to fight with the corona. Indirectly, you are seeing the gods and the doctors, they're taking care of a lot of things. But instead of that, we can do our part from our home. What best we are doing it. Most of the people are being panic even for a cold or cough. They are keeping calls to the hospitals and ambulance and they are going to the hospitals, and after that, end of the day, the human population is very big in India. It will be a disaster if one area of people being panic and went to the one of the closest hospital. There might be a disaster will happen in the hospital and they start increasing the cases again. We can survive like anything. Even you can sit at home, you can start observing the things, what your immune system is working, how your health is taken care, how you are breathing. Everything you have to take care at your home itself. You need not worry about the doctor immediately. Getting a cough might be many reasons. Even you getting the first choice is it will enter into the nose or the mouth. Let it be. There is a mucus stagnation at the throat. Normally try to trap there first. It won't allow into the lungs immediately. Before that, why not you can sort out the step by step. First you are taking care of the mask and sanitizer. You are doing it already. Let it be. For sure somewhere you opened up. There is a possibility of air. Let it be some area the coronavirus, the particle size is less than 5 microns or something. It can stay in air for 8 hours. That means even the person is there or not, if you're going in the same path, there is a possibility to take into your airways. So you should be very much cautious on the first step. If you are covering your mouth and if you are covering everything and moving outside. The second thing, once it is entered, what is the next step? The first entry will be the throat. Still you have a choice before going inside. You can gargle with the salt water, or else you can have 1 spoon of vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and having with a glass of water. Also it will clean some of the throat congestion. It won't go into the lungs, it will enter into the digestive system. At least if it is deviating the airways path, you have a lot of time to sustain and maintain your body, because inside lungs it's a closed bubbles kind of thing. It will be, it is going inside, breaking, taking out, it is not easy. So rest of the areas, if you go into the digestive system, there is a lot of acidity while digesting the food itself, so the virus can die immediately. If it is going to the digestive system, yes, there is a possibility to survive. Not a big deal, you can do that. Let it be. Even though it is going inside, it won't affect the extreme case, it won't bring immediately. You can take care of your all other home remedies. You can start using it. You can start observing your own body. You can do that. So indirectly, the coronavirus bringing change in the people indirectly and guiding us to change and guiding us to make more discipline, and it is asking us to redefine our own lifestyle and adjust with what we are having it now. There's a lot of advantages if you start taking into a positive direction. If you start thinking in a negative direction, Coronavirus need not come and affect us. Before itself we'll get die. When you close your nose for 5-10 minutes, it's over. Our life is, it won't sustain for 5 minutes also. So no need to be so much panic into that. But something which is in our control, what it is, something which is not in our control, what it is, we have to think of it. Something which is in our control is our body health maintenance. Start observing since from beginning. You have a lot of time to observe your own body before the virus is getting affected. Once it's getting affected, your observation symptoms, you don't have a prediction logic. When you are healthy, you have a choice. What is abnormality? What is normality for your own body? If you know it very clearly, you no need to be panic. Whether it comes because of a coronavirus, not because of coronavirus, you can justify. Up to some extent, you can do that. It comes to normally the immune system try to fight with the coronavirus, then your body temperature will start going up and down. It will happen when it is fighting. Even it is got wind, again it will come down. There is a limit, again the temperature limit also there. I think 1 or 2.4 something is there on the website. Any infection, it comes to your body starts working on the infections and start fighting with the virus, and again it is coming down and it's coming up. This will happen in the body. If it starts winning against the virus, the antibodies is already got built actually. That means you are having a more strong immune system. You can cross checking with the small things when there is no major virus effects or something. If you are observing such a level, you will be very much clear on your body attitude and body metabolism, how it will be getting changed when the temperature changes, how it will be reacting in the different cases. When you have some kind of a food, how it is reacting. When some kind of food, when you have it, what the digestive system responds to you, what kind of issues it is coming, how you have sorted out it. This and all is a clear observation of your body. When the pain comes, where and which part it is affecting, for what reason it is getting connected. You can get a lot of knowledge over social media, let it be, but you can choose the right direction, and choosing is more important, and connecting and applying is another part. While applying, you should be very much clear of any one of the solution. Straight away you should not apply onto your body. Don't take that somebody else take this one daily 2 spoons, you have it, it will clear. You should understand your body nature, how much temperature it will be withstanding, how much body water you have it, how much water you are regularly feeding into your system, and how much temperature you are maintaining. For that, how much quantity you can take. There is a lot of factors to take into control. So you can observe these things when there is no virus effect or something. When your body is normal, you can start checking all these Ayurvedic and all other stuff. You can do that actually. You can cross-checking with the home remedies of all natural ingredients available in the kitchen itself. You can start doing it. Even all antioxidants, all antiseptic, most of the things are available in the kitchen itself. You can start working those things and start refining your complete body. Start working with them, start observing the symptoms in your body. You will be understanding your body first. Then you can tell that no, this is not because of it, because I had something yesterday. Every time when I had this problem will come to me. That means you will be having an evidence and you will be having a history of your own body. Then you will be very much clear in judging whether it is really having the effect of virus or whatever something, and you can cross check with the things. But don't make a rush in the hospital because of only the panic is not with the symptoms. Even a cough or cold also people are running. I have seen some cases like that, and they start irritating at the hospitals. They're going to the hospitals and let it be because of a panicness. Somebody who is in ICU, they cannot stop them, right? So how much extent we can support to the people and we can support to the hospitals and outside facilities available, we have to take care. For that, a lot of patience is needed. People doesn't have in this world is the patience now. Because time, everybody is running out of time because they're very busy in their own life and because of the goals, whatever they fixed in their own life. We have to keep a tab of whether we are happy or not of what we are doing it. Is it only giving the money or happiness as well? What it is giving to me? Am I losing my personal life? Am I changing something towards the good to the people and good to the society and good to me? How extent I am happy because of what I am doing it? How extent it is good to complete world? The change is always needed. Making busy ourselves, it should be how much it is needed into that level is more important. We keep on working and losing the time, not spending with the families, all the stuff we are doing it. Later on, we may not get such a level of time. There's a good possibility is most of the people are staying with the families, staying with the relations, spending the time, but don't spoil the situations with the nonsense discussions. Most of the families, if you got more time normally, they'll start asking number of questions, start discussing so many things, something which is not required, something which won't bring any happiness, any value to their own life. People think that people will survive like anything. No, there's no granted life for anybody with an expiry date mentioned on it. So why we have to lose the minutes? We need not lose the minutes for the nonsense discussions in the homes. There are people got a quality time to spend now. There's a corona work from home or whatever the kind of a things which it is available in this world. You start working on the quality time spending with the relations. What best you can change? You have to start asking yourself what I can change, for what reason I'm not changing. In that case, you will start digging into your baselines. The refinement of your own baseline is more important. Then only it is more possibilities there to make you happy in their own life. It is not easy unless we are not allowing any change into our life, into our thinking. Our thoughts will always bring a path and it will make into an actions later. If we restricting our way of thinking with so many constraints into our life, you cannot do anything. We should be more flexible to take the essence out of it, and we start learning from the life and start changing ourselves towards only the goodness, not to the bad. So the people will think that yes, we are changing ourselves for some nonsense addictions, nonsense alcoholism, whatever it is. I'm not saying that it is nonsense everywhere, but the thing is, there is a condition. There is always change should be good to many people, to us, whatever it is. The change will be acceptable. The change should be needed in these days, very much important. People who are accepting the change in these times only will be successful in these tough times. Why? Because they wanted to learn something new, they wanted to know something new, they wanted to adjust something new happen in this world now. Hand-to-hand support is more important. Human nature always sitting in our own place. We cannot change ever and after. We cannot think from other perspective. Why the issues are coming even outside? If you're seeing somebody is wearing the mask, somebody may not wearing the mask. Why? Because wearing the mask is, as I told earlier, it is for others first. You're protecting others. In the same manner, each and everybody have to think and protect others first. The real truth is, people will expect something good to be happen from the world to us. It is not true. Something which you have to give it to the world first, then it will come back to us. So we are being ready to be more honest in helping each other, and in helping other people is more important nowadays. Always, if we are sitting in our own place, I didn't get this, I didn't get this from this person, I didn't get this from this government, nobody is helping to me, the complete world. If we start blaming, what best in our control, we have to start thinking first. Then we can get a good choice. This is the first time the complete world can become leaders. There is an opportunity to become a leader, and they can change themselves. They start giving the ideas to the people. They can start make them thinking, helping each other. I'm not telling each and everyone will be in the same level of thinking. You can start sharing your thoughts and start sharing your positive thoughts to the people. In a way, they can realize it. It is not like somebody, I don't want to listen to you. If you start talking with them, no, they won't listen. Somebody is literally struggling, but if you go into their own shoe and start thinking, you will understand the problem. It will work each and everywhere, inside home and outside the world. Everywhere it will work. Even any problem is coming that needs a change in ourselves first, until some time, until you will understand the person. You have to wait and listen more, and wait more with the patience, and start thinking in the positive direction. Start analyzing the situation, finding out the root cause. Clear it of all doubts in your mind is more important. Start breaking your doubts is more important. Resources are already available in the world. Each and every doubt, if you type in a Google, you'll get n number of resources. Choosing ideas, taking the knowledge, what is relevant, what it is useful to us, segregation, and taking the valuable thing only, what adds value, what is having evidence to apply onto our life, it is more important. So our mind always thinking in different directions. We'll get a number of doubts. Each doubt you can take it out and start working on that doubt which is affecting your life, and start working on that, what better solutions which you can apply for the same struggle and the same problem that might have already felt and suffered by somebody else in this world. He might be already posted in somewhere in the Google. So we need not fail again for the same problem. For the same issue, 10 more people have solved in different methods. If you see 10 to 15 people approach of the same problem, you will be having a good solution better than the 10 number. And for sure, you start applying the best solution into your own life. Coronavirus is making panicness for some people. Coronavirus making change to somebody. And coronavirus making benefits to somebody. Coronavirus making and refining most of the people's life, somebody. Coronavirus taking the lives of people for somebody. It's not doing the same thing to all in the world. 65 plus, or maybe like less than 6 years of age or something, it might have an immune system less. They may not taken care of very much well in advance. They might be going into the death. Let it be. It is happening for some reason. Yes, it is there. But what is in our control except worrying about the same thing? If you don't want to worry about that, you should have a solution for each and everything, even it is worst. Don't imagine something has happened now which is into a negative direction. But something which has happened negatively after 1 week, how you will react, what is your great plan with you, that you have to be aware of it. Then you won't feel tensed. That is only the technique of the tension management. If you be ready for the worst, for sure you will have a solution. If you are not ready for the worst, you don't have a solution. Being ready for the worst means, assume that you are going for an interview. The first worst thing is, yes, you can fail in the interview. Be ready for the failing of the interview first, and then you can come back to change a plan, not to fail, what to do. Yes, I have to prepare well, I have to take out the syllabus, what to be done, what the questions, what sort of the things, like what are the success and failures of different people are available in this world. You can make a note of that, start working on that. Then the best in you, if you take it out and put in front of you, that is more than enough to sustain in this life. 99% of the people not bringing their own best talent outside. They're not bringing from inside and keeping it and applying it. Their belief systems restricting their strength. Literally they feel that I'm not worth it, I cannot do it, somebody else can help, then I'll do it. There's a lot of dependencies they are building because their belief system is not affecting. They couldn't believe that I can do. Why it is happening? Because the way they're born and brought up, it will happen. If you start talking with the people, number of positive people around, and gel well with them, and start talking with them, this clear-cut idea is 5 people's average attitude, it will come to you. Daily, if you are talking with 5 people, normally the average attitude, it will come to you. If you're daily talking with the 5 negative people on the daily basis, you never ever, you won't go further. You can take an example, take one guy and put in between 5 positive people, there's no other good, this guy will become positive attitude. That's it. That is where choosing the neighborhood, choosing the clear friends, choosing your network, where you born and brought up is more important. Somebody is guiding and mentoring and supporting in your direction, whether you are feeling tough or not, let it be. You go in that direction, let it be. You try this way, try this way. Somebody is guiding, yes, you can take it up. Somebody is telling without trying it, no, it will fail because it was failed to me. People will tell like that. They might have applied in some scenario, in some case, in some stage, and some place they might have done this. That might have failed in that situation. Take the reason of that failure, go with the solution, then you apply. You can succeed in your own life. To do all these things, it is beating around the bush. Simply it is connected to the change in own life. If we are not allowing a change into us, you cannot do anything to this world. If we are asking somebody to change, means that we are already refined up to that level. You can check each and every point that you are doing it or not. Those points, if you are not doing it, yes, that doesn't mean that you are not allowed to tell, but at least you start working in parallel. You have to do it, but that might be a truth in that. You can take the truth and start working on that. We need not add ego. Why this guy is telling to me? Why I have to take care of it? Everything is getting connected to again and ego and emotional. Most of the emotions make your miserable decisions in your own life. The decision makings in your life is very, 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 very crucial. When you're taking a decision, cross-checking with the consequences, start working on that. Be prepared for a nice plan, and then you take the decision. Don't take any decision in a fraction of seconds, something which affects your own life. Life is a choice of your decisions. What are the choices you're taking into your life? Since from birth, that is what your life is. So we should be strong on the decision, means we should have more knowledge into the same area. If it is not there, where we can learn. We should be very much open to learn certain things. The essence will come automatically from others. If you're not a good listener, don't have a patience to listen to others, you don't get something new ever and ever. You cannot get a new thing. The first thing is we should open our cap and being ready to listen to the people. Listen to this world, wherever it is. There is something new is happen. Yes, we can learn something from out of it. That can be done. What I mean to say that ultimately, be ready for the change in this world. Whatever it is happening in this world, let it be. How extent we can bear these things, what the plan, what best we can do, what is the alternate sources. You start thinking and refining it, you will get the solutions. If you don't, your mind is not capable enough to take up to that level. Use the resources available in and around with us. Nowadays, because the technology in our hand. Imagine the same situation was happened around 40 or 50 years before. There's no mobile in their hand. How people are going and communicating with them. They're simple inland covers and postcards they're sending. To say hello, they have to write and send a postcard. We have enough a good extraordinary technology is available nowadays. If you wanted to utilize the technology, yes, that is your life. If you wanted to misuse the same technology, that will ruin your own life, something which you cannot take back ever and ever. This sentence will straight away apply to the freshers and teenagers. What I am telling is, very, very much teenagers nowadays, they are ruining their own life like anything. They don't bother about the time. I'm not telling each and everyone. There is nice energy, even at 10, 15 years age, people also, they are becoming a leaders in the world. That is also there. At the same time, even at 15 or 17 years age, once crossed, they did the education, they might have failed after that, they don't get the path to go further. They cannot go back and do the education again. They cannot get the certification. They lost the career because of some reason of social media and whatever it is. And they go into the trap of a love or whatever. Once they got lost their lap of career, they can step back. They cannot step back and take that. They cannot complete. There's no choice. People who could not complete their own career, they are not allowed to do choosing a partner. Literally, my decision and the suggestion, whatever, the person who was not refined to themselves is not eligible to take a decision immediately and choose his own life partner. He's not so clear on his own life, what to do, he's not so clear. What is studying also, where it will go into their own career. After down the line 5 or 10 years, what he wanted to do, he's not so clear. Like what he will earn, it is not so clear. What the facility which he can give it to the partner once he got married, that is also not so clear. What the kind of a life he wants it, that is also not so clear. If these things were not at all clear to them, what the point in choosing somebody else and doing a lot of activities and getting appreciation from the other gender and start attracting somebody else and proposing love, everything, and getting married immediately without having any stuff in them to lead after the life. People who are very matured enough and very early and settled very strongly, and they are very strong determined plan beside everything, I'm okay with them. There are somebody are very early age, let it be 5 or they will start working in their own career from 5 or 6 years itself. Somebody, I'm not blaming them. I am not asking other people to do the same thing also. I'm not telling that. At least they should have a good plan for their own life, what to be done, and what is their own life purpose is more important. What they wanted to do, what he or she wanted to do, why he has to take the decision of choosing a life partner well in advance. Need not. First itself, a change will affect since from birth itself. Whether the change driving towards positive direction, driving towards negative direction, it's your own wish. Whatever I speak normally, I'll connect with all corners of the life, and again I'll come back. Let it be, it was coronavirus versus the change. Let it be, the change is most important in our life to sustain at any cost. Panicness is only for the fear of death, nothing else. If you're being ready for the death, let it be. What will happen? If we are dying on the spot, we are giving and we are living again as a new person. Let it be. We are giving one more new life. It will come out. Once we are not there on this earth, why we have to worry after that? There is a blood relations which you have to do. So you know you are ready for a death. If you assume that you are not there on this earth, what went wrong, what the dependency is affecting, what the kind of issues which you have it, what the things which you have to solve it out, these things you have to make a plan. That is what I'm telling. Being ready for the worst. The worst, more than the death, nothing will happen in this world. If you think even a small problem also, you can think like a bigger picture. That might be a very big problem for us. For the same big problem for somebody, it will be very small problem like this. He can solve it. Why the difference it is coming? The capability of thinking, how they are thinking, how their belief system is not affecting, not supporting. It is only depends on how we are thinking, our life will define. Whenever you feel tense, for what reason the tension is coming, what problem we have with us, how we can break down this problem into sub-level. Can we bring it into small pieces? Can we work on like at least 5%, 10% of the same problem? Most of the people facing problem are with everybody now. People are already satisfying and running their own life already successfully, even though it is a worst case scenario. But what best we can do is, in these times, how much extent it is there, we can save money to the rest of the debts, whatever it is there. What we can do to survive, what the expenditure which we can do it, we can reduce our expenditure. Let it be, earlier we used to go to restaurants, that this everything. Lot of expenditure we used to do, lot of shopping also we used to do. 6 to 12 months lap, if there is no job or nothing, how we can sustain that much amount of money which you have to acquire and keep it ready. But even though, I'm not saying that everybody is having it. If we are working towards the plan, we may not feel tensed at least. It won't solve immediately, for sure. At least we are in the direction, we are working for the solution. At least we are in the right direction. 12 months EMI of a home loan or something, we need not get it in today. If you keep in mind at least one EMI of a next month, it is with us, at least next month you can take second EMI, third EMI, keeping aside of the money of a 12 months EMI and a 12 months rent plus expenditure. Slowly you can pushing that amount to a side. People who are already having a job, this might work for some time. If they doesn't have suddenly the job, yes, what is the alternate plan? What you can sell, what you can keep? What is the best solution which you can do? What is really needed or not? Something which is not needed, not necessary in home, you can sell it out. If you get the money, you can use it off. Whenever again the money comes, you can buy it. We can make a liquid cash if you think literally you wanted to solve some issue. We don't have a courage to take the decisions. That is where we are lagging. We are not moving anywhere. Problems are each and everybody is having the problem. How we are solving is more important. That is where it's needed a change in us, and that is where the leadership skill is always important. We should be very much in the front end to sort out the issue, and we should move in the positive direction. Something went wrong, everybody will not be there in this earth. But before that, how much we are being ready and how much we are planning on our own life and how much we are doing good to the society. This is the best time people can join together and start speaking with them and start their asking their problems and getting sorted out and helping each other. And this is the first thing which people have to do now is start solving their own issues, at the same time start solving the others' issues as well if they can do. There's a lot of people, I think, in this tight time. I seen like a couple of people have reduced the rents. Owners of the buildings, they reduced the rents. They're keeping quiet not to take for 3 to 4 months of the rents also. There are a lot of people that are okay with that, not to give a rent for this month. Let it be. They earn for n number of years. They might have a lot of liquid cash. They can do a good part of it. They will feel happy before the death. I'm not saying that I'm not blaming each and everyone. There are people doing like that. I'm not saying everybody have to do the same logic. Somebody can help within their own barrier. Somebody can do help 10 rupees to somebody. Somebody can do 10 lakhs to somebody. It depends on their own lifestyle and own earning. If you cross each other and help each other, ultimately everybody connect with each other. This is the right time to think of others, not to self. The selflessness of each and every individual make a move in this tough time. That is what it is important. That is what it is more needed, rather than being panic and thinking more negatively and going forward. There is no meaning in it. So how much change you can bring into your own life because of this situation, and start working on your own version. Version 2.0 of self is better than yesterday. Yes, you did a good job than yesterday. People who are sustaining and solving the tough time, solving the issues with this time, later on everything settled down, they are very much comfortable to solve the small issues. They won't feel small issues like a problems also. They will smile at difficulties. Okay man, that I can do that. They'll talk like that. That is not at all they're feeling like a problem. People who solve the toughest issues in their own life, they are more strong in their own life. They are more capable to lead the life. In this, literally I'm requesting each and everyone have more patience to listen to others and build a lot of listening skill to others and gain lot of learning in all sources of things available in front of us, and start helping each and every individual in this world. Forget about that. Who is in front of you doesn't matter, but the help for sure it will come back. Who helps to whom doesn't matter now. Who gives first is more important. Who gives first will be happy in these tough times. Who is waiting just to take from others is not happy. For sure they were not happy. They literally wanted to take all the time in their own lives since from birth. Who is seekers in regular life, they were not happy in Corona time. Who were a selfless support or a unconditional love can spread among the people. Such kind of people who are very much happy in this time because they don't have any expectations from the world. They are only the givers because it is coming automatically. Once they start giving the things, automatically things will come back. That is what unconditional. Everybody needs, even including relations, people expect the unconditional love from the spouse or a partner. That is where comes from a mother. Why? Because she won't expect so much from you. Even a parent's expectations only having to develop your own career. Their expectations are to refine ourselves. So that is where the unconditional love is available from the mother. Literally, we should become a mother behavior. We are the leaders in this world. If you are expecting something free from the world, that means you should be in the same manner. You should give the things in the same method. Start sharing, caring and helping each and every individual in this world is very much critical in this tough time. Who can do and what level they can do, I'm not restricting to each and everyone. It is individual. Whatever I'm speaking now, it is literally connecting to the change needed in their own attitude. The way we'll think, the way we'll refine our own attitude, how we will develop our version 2 is in our own control. never and ever we might have not seen our next avatar. That means something, a phase shift kind of thing. We were cross-checking our own version of previous until now. You can cross-check that how my behavior for such kind of situations, how I am reacting, how I am doing, how I am helping. There is a different kind of a core baselines. You can start working on those things. You can start moving to the next level. You can give a small example of a belief system, I think, which I can tell that in and around how the people are doing. You are seeing 2 to 3, more than 5 times. If you are seeing the same activity and seeing the evidence out of it negatively, you will feel that that is a belief. Maybe very simple basic thing, I think, in native places and all, you can see that if the guy is starting to travel to somewhere, if a black cat is coming in front of them, something went wrong will happen after going there. For some other reason, the travelers got disconnected and got failed for 5 times. They might have got belief earlier. For some reason, for somebody, they start believing because it is happening in front of them. Eyes believe the evidence. Our mind search for the evidences. For your action, what the evidence which is happening in front of us, if it is happening 5 or more than 5 times, you will start creating your own beliefs in your mind. That may not be true 100%. That may not be true. I can give an example. If one more example, like husband and wife is there in their own house, like kids are there. The kids are daily seeing the husband and wife, how their treatment and all. When the wife is listening, when the husband is listening, they start observing each and everything. The discussion will be started, and then in some family, oh, okay, I'll think of it, okay, I'll try to decide, they'll take a decision, and slowly they will sort it out. In somewhere, no, this side also no, this side also no. After that, it will end up with a discussion to argument, and then it will end up with a clash. Then it's peak level anger. Once like something went wrong, like a slapping each other or something happened, then they stop. Means the kid is already seeing regularly in their home, means their beliefs which we are giving now. That means kid is seeing somebody is doing like this, the same way the kid is regularly seeing. Once they're born and brought up, and then up to an age, once he got married, then he will think, okay, when we discuss, okay, spouse won't listen. When we argue also won't listen. Normally we have to slap once, then the spouse will listen. The belief which we are giving to the kids now. Indirectly, we are spoiling the kids' life as well. The first and foremost thing is parents are the role models to the kids. How you want to see your kid, you want to become first. We should be in that pace first, whether we are doing it or not. Because most of us will think that, take it as granted. Kids cannot respond to us. Even you hit, even you slap, even you scold, they won't respond. Okay, we can do anything. In the place of same thing, assume that 30 to 40 years, one more lady or a gent is in front of you and start arguing the same logic. Will they take your words? No. Because the kid is taking our words and taking our slappings or whatever. We're doing it because we are taking that as granted. No. What is doing and what is right for them, what is right for me, if somebody is doing the same thing. If we are suffering for some small reason, somebody else is doing the same thing. If you are not allowing that, means even a kid also won't allow that. It's very much clear. If you're telling that do like this, then only it will happen. That means that we like it. So we want, if somebody else is doing also, they have to do like the same way. In that case, we have to be in that mode first. Because kid should need a belief to believe our words. Regularly we will be doing it. We are doing something in front of them. They should see regularly. Once they start seeing the outside world in a different mode and start connecting with different people, kids are no more believe the parents. Why? Because their belief system is expanded and see the different evidences from the outside the world, not what is happening inside the home. Inside home, what is happening, start comparing outside the world. they'll feel that my mom and dad is not good at all to me. Once they start talking like that, it's the blood relation. You cannot sustain. Keep crying on the daily basis. There's no meaning in it. Because the kids' mistakes are with us first, not with them. Whatever they're doing as the mistakes, those mistakes are with us. We cannot change for them, but we are asking them to change how we want. The same thing, irrespective of any age, changing us and changing others is very literal and clear-cut indication whether they wanted to change or not. They have to listen or not. Whether you are giving any fact or not. Whether it is right or not. If it is right, it is justifiable by many people. Many people will believe. If at all there is an evidences in this world. Same way the kids also will behave the same thing. Start working on refining ourselves and start changing ourselves towards a successful, happy life. Anybody is having any questions or something, you can keep a comment so that I can answer you when I got the time. At least I'm appreciating the technology available here. The same thing to do 50 years before, to talk with a number of people, we have to go and connect with them is not at all easy. There is a possibility to connect n number of people online. If you go and plan a session or a meeting, there is no possibility to listen to anybody. Earlier, not now. Now there is a good thing is, yes, I can speak and connect with many people. Even I'm sitting and speaking, let it be. Who are joined, who are not listening, it doesn't matter for me. But at least who are listened, it is connected to their own life, and at least 1% of my discussion was helpful to their own life, and it is touching their own lives and start changing themselves. That's more than enough for me. I don't want more than that. But if at all having any doubts, it might deviate. I'm not saying that I'm having a knowledge of so much peak level knowledge I have. Whatever I'm speaking, it is right. In the flow, in the live flow, it might have a mistakes for sure. Don't do a micromanagement and start a deep dive into finding out the mistakes and start working on my video. That may not click, may not be advantageous for anybody. Something good essence coming out of the video, you take it up, start applying it to your own life. That may refine your own life, and that might be feel happy. If at all whoever feel happy, at least please comment. I'll be happy because I don't want anything. The free of cost smile from others, it is more than enough for me. Somebody is telling like, yes, the good content is there, boss. I take in this essence. I'm happy. After listening your video, I realized in my own life. That is what I wanted. Thank you very much. It's a long session. Why? Because that is my core baseline. If I start speaking, I cannot stop. N number of people in front of me, my discussion only test the energy level of each and every individual. You should have a patience to listen, but I cannot stop. That is what I'll do. That is where people will irritate. Thank you very much. Just for kidding, no worries. Yeah, who take the essence, because individual timelines may not match when I am sitting online, may not see the videos content, but who are having time, who are having a through listening of my video and helping to them, thank you very much for the patience and listening for my video, whoever is my audience, my network. Thank you very much, each and every individual. Take care of your own life and be happy, keep smiling. My goal is only the happiness. Your goal is also the same. Please ping me in the comments. My greatest goal is only happiness. Rest of the things will how to connect. I can answer. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.